How y'all doing? It's your girl Kimmy, aka 1K Yellow Diamond. How y'all doing today? I hope you all is doing fine and fabulous. And if not, remember, you have the key to be happy. Okay? So before we get in this quick video, yes, it's a quick cooking tutorial. Now, as you can tell by the title, I am making tacos, right? But I'm not gonna make it your typical way because I wanted some original or regular way tacos, but I was like, no, I want a little twist. And I seen who was that? Was it the king? I don't know. It was I never remember who I'll be watching. Yeah, I'll be watching a lot of YouTube. But anyway, it was someone eating it with the queso cheese. Was it Tosh? Like Steph and Tosh? But you know, now they got different channels. Tosh P. Well, anyway, it was one of them. They was eating some queso cheese with the tacos. But I'm gonna make it that way, but I'm gonna make it a little different. So I hope you all stick around for the cooking tutorial because I'm not gonna make it the same. It's gonna be quick. Make sure you all subscribe. Make sure you all hit that thumbs up. Make sure you share this video out and leave me a comment. Let me know what's going on in the YouTube streets or wherever. Just let me know. Or let me know that you stopped by. Okay. So, y'all ready? Let's get to it. It's gonna be quick. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So we got the my favorite skillet, which I need to give me another one just in case if this play out. But we're gonna cook our meat the same. Just your basic meat, just your basic ground beef. Kind of chop that up a little. I'm gonna add a little salt, and some of my all-purpose season. And my all-purpose season do not come with salt. That's why it's good to add salt with it. And you can, you know, add as much as salt you like. So then I'm gonna add some cumin. Now I do need to make my all-purpose taco season. Okay, then we're gonna blend it all together. Y'all stick around for I think I'm gonna speed this up. Because everybody know I cook ground meat. Cook it the way you like it, season the way you like it. Because with these taco shells, I'm going to make them a different way. I'm going to use this electric griddle to make them. So stay around. I'm going to add some bell pepper, onion. Save some of your onions. And cilantro. Save some of your cilantro. We're going to let this simmer for about 3 minutes. We're going to drain the grease, and we'll be back on how I'm going to do this taco shell cooking tutorial. I'll be back. Once again, my camera wasn't recording, so I'm going to do it again with the cheese one. I think y'all seen me do the regular one, I think. My God, today. So, these are some pepper jack sliced cheese. We're going to put it in the middle. We're going to put the meat, fill it up with the meat, and the onions and cilantro, what's left. And we're going to lay it on the griddle. And we're going to kind of mash down on them. Because, you know, as you heat taco shells, they get flexible. So we're going to flip some over. Ooh. Mash down on them so you can close them up. I'm using my silicone heat-resistant spatula. Y'all know what? I came up with a name. Crunchy Million Tacos. I don't know. Y'all help me with a name for this. with a name for these tacos. So we're gonna leave it on that side for about 2 minutes. And then we're gonna come up, plate it, and taste it. That's simple. I told you it's a Taco Tuesday simple cooking tutorial. I'll be back. There you go, a whatchamacallit tacos. It has lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, pico, onion, cilantro, ground beef. We have our queso cheese, limes on nacho flavor crunchy taco shells. Y'all get into it, baby. Get into it. Look at it. Who's ready? Who's ready for a bite? Who's ready for a bite of whatchamacallit? What you call it? Tacos. Because I don't know. Y'all help me get a name for it. What would you call these tacos? Let's taste it. We're back with our whatchamacallit tacos. Yes, we got the sour cream, tomatoes, onions, cilantro. What else we got on here? We got ground beef. And we cooked, y'all seen how we did? We got limes and we got the nacho cheese taco shell stuffed with ground beef, cilantro, onions, and my special season. We got nacho cheese. Here you go. Grab you one. Grab you a whatchamacallit taco. What you call it? What you call it? Let's try it. You know we got to try it. First, we're going to squeeze a little lime on it. Woo! My God. I want the one with the cheese. I forgot about that. It has pepper jack cheese on it. Whew. Then we're going to dip it. Let's dip it. Dip it in the nacho cheese. Woo! Y'all, my mouth watering. Whatchamacallit nacho. Let's try it. Mmm. 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 Wow, that's good. Because the taco shells are extra crispy. One more bite. Mmm. 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 This is good, y'all. As you saw, the recipe was quick, fast. Let's get some of this sour cream and lettuce and onion on our whatchamacallit taco. Mmm. 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 So y'all, that's it. I got some more. Before I go ahead and take you some more. Go ahead. I want to thank you all for being here. Thank you for taking a little bit of your time to spend with me. I really do appreciate all the love and support that you all has given me. So until next time, bye. Y'all, I'm gonna eat one more. One more. What about one more? One more is okay? Mmm.